I hit it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. God damn. I do not recommend it. Ooh. You gotta finish it.
Right.
Oh shit. Sleepy. Ooh. I can't hold it. I can't hold it. Oh shit.
Right.
Oh shit. Oh shit. What hurt? Hold on. I never. Oh, nigga, this shit got my nose running, nigga. This nigga. But this burp does not want to come out, and I'm. It's a 0 out of 10, and yeah. I'll catch y'all the next. Oh, I feel it. I feel it.
I did it.
I ain't gonna lie, that shit though.
Oh, dude.
Bro, what?
Finished. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it was. It was. But yeah.
Damn.
Oh, snap. Oh, shit. All right, going crazy. Yeah, hey. I won.
Nah, this flavor ain't all that.
That's what your ass get. You should have took it because the motherfucking bubble started. There we go. But nah, man, you snapped, but it took you long enough.
Honestly. Oh my god, it's right here. Oh, you burped, dude. I just did that. I thought we gotta wait. Stomach relish. Oh, shit. Oh, bro. Just don't do that. I thought it was gonna be way harder than Excuse me. That was killing my stomach. Yeah, bro, that shit, bro, a little bit, yeah. Excuse me.
Robbie, you.
You know what I'm saying?
No.
Yeah. Good, I'm good. You gonna be all day. Now. Here we go. Excuse me. Question number 1. All right. Question number 4. That's requested. What night? Absolutely. That was requested. That was requested. So those are.
Why would I hate on you?
Should have got non-carbonated.
Oh my gosh.
I'm feeling
Lethargic?
I feel
Excuse me.
Excuse me, I can't do no more. But I got over half. But and that shit too. I'm still burping, y'all. But okay.
Oh, this is about to be a breeze. This ain't no breeze. God. These things more potent than the regular Coca-Cola.
Girl and Joe. Okay, hold it.
Five goes fast.
Oh, 5 go.
Yeah.
You have. Right now. Yeah. Now I'm gonna burp this down. Watch that. That was a burp. It's a whole other go.
That is so.
They gotta go down.
Let's put it all on the shelf. No, hell no. You still got that left. You know what? I'm gonna get that to you though.
Bro, I did it, bro.
I'm gonna get that to you.
I did it, bro. I don't care.
And then you spilled half on your drink regular. All right, so yeah.
Damn.
Ooh.
Thank you, Lord. Ooh, excuse me, Lord. Now I'm going to sleep. Strawberry lemonade so good.
I did it.
Not that bad. I can feel it. It just feels like everything's. It's like every.
That thing I... Oh, that feels so much better. Oh, that's not very charming. Oh.
So are we not supposed to burp?
I know it. Really cold beer. What I'm talking about.
Number 2.
You finished one already. I need. God dang it. We got.
Excuse me. So right now we're on the hunt for some ice.
Blowing it out.
Because we need some ice for the dude. Okay, let's go here. Okay.
Oh, wow. Woo! Yeah, that was very nice. All right.